Welcome to Webidex. Previously on Webidex, we talked about the exact method of writing original content for your website. This is the fourth video of the video series, Creating a Successful Website. A successful website is a matter that varies based on each other's objectives. Nowadays we often see many people creating websites and publishing articles for the purpose of making money. It's a difficult task to make successful any website that builds by someone. But there is something we can do to minimize the shortcomings of the website being created. And then we can have good hopes that the website will reach the intended goal at the beginning. To create a successful website, you need to pay more attention to the reasons why a website is successful as well as the reasons why a website fails. So in today's we are going to describe 7 most possible causes that can make your website a failure. So stay tuned with us till the end of this video. Seven possible causes of website failure. Number 1. Focus on SEO after creating a website. Many people focus on how to get traffic to their website only after they have created it, so it is often difficult to make a website successful by doing SEO after creating the website. SEO is something that has to do with designing a website. Number 2. Creating a website on an unknown subject. Many people create websites publishing articles on certain topics without having any proper knowledge. Sometimes even though they hire article writers and even they may also have no sound knowledge, understanding, or experience on that particular subject. Because of this reason, a website is created by re-entering the facts on the internet in a slightly different form. Due to this, a website with original content will not be created. Also, many people try plagiarism. But it is not a method to prove that it is an original article written with one's own ideas and experiences. Number 3. Creating websites that have no value and quality. Many people today are trying to create a website in some way, but they are not motivated to do anything with real quality and value to the website users. It's impossible to even make money from a website that people do not visit. If people want to visit your website, you have to create a website that has a reasonable way to get people to come and have a good reason to come. In other words, you have to deliver value to your website visitors. Number 4. Not focusing on the right things over time. Most people these days think about making money but do not pay much attention to creating a website that is capable of making money. For example, in the early and middle stages of creating a website, instead of trying to generate traffic to the website, many people try to create a Google AdSense account. They often forget that having an AdSense account without traffic is useless and believe that AdSense is the only way to make money from a website. If you can build a website with good traffic, you can use a better and less risky ad network than AdSense. Number 5. Writing an article that does not match the search intent. Writing articles for a website is a very important factor in creating a website. But it is needed to understand the real purpose of users before doing keyword research to write articles. It is useless for anyone who is looking for information about planting an apple tree to have written a lot of information about the apple trees in the world. Articles with most words have a tendency to become more ranked. But it does not happen just by increasing the word count or putting in the relevant keywords too many times. Therefore, always keep the focus on the search intent of the users. Number 6. Use more high competitive keywords. Many website builders knowingly or unknowingly use high CPC or high competition keywords for their websites. This is also can be a big reason to fail a website sometimes. When trying to do SEO and get traffic to a newly created website, it is best to use low competitive keywords in the early stages. Also, many people nowadays choose keywords to build a website based solely on the value of keyword difficulty, KD. Here too many people select high competition keywords and keywords that do not have a proper basis. So always try to select low competition keywords with a proper basis to match your user's search intent in order to create a successful website. Number 7. Lack of adequate knowledge about SEO. There are many instances where mistakes are made due to a lack of proper understanding of SEO. SEO knowledge becomes an essential factor if you want to get traffic from search engines like Google. Many newbies think of putting in SEO plugin like Yoast, Rank Math, and making the necessary settings as a complete SEO. Actually, a plugin makes our work easier but it doesn't decide everything. Therefore, just installing an SEO plugin will not rank a website. In today's video, we talked about 7 possible causes of website failure, and we think you learned key facts that we needed to share with you. So in our next video, we will discuss factors to consider when designing a successful website and how to get more traffic or more visitors to the website. Comment below if you have queries, and we will try our best to reply to them all. That's all for today, pals. Please give a thumbs up if you really learned something. Also, if you are new to Webidex, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell as well, so you won't miss our upcoming videos. So before we leave, keep in mind, don't work hard, work smart. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day.